To add a solid color background to your text in Canva, first select your text box. Click the Effects button in the top toolbar. Choose the background effect from the menu. Use the sliders to adjust the roundness of the corners and the spread, which is the padding around your text. You can also change the transparency. Click the color tile to select your background color. For a gradient background, first remove any solid background from your text. Next, go to the Elements tab and add a shape like a rectangle. Place the shape directly behind your text. Select the shape and click the color tile in the toolbar. Choose Gradient and customize your gradient colors. Finally, resize the shape to fit neatly behind your text. This is how you add solid or gradient color backgrounds to text in Canva.